Thank you for being with us today to celebrate the life of a remarkable woman, my mother, Maria. I am Jocelyn Villuman de Guzman, one of the daughters of late Maria Villuman. She was caring, supportive, and a loving wife, mother, sister, grandmother, and a friend. There was a lot of love in my mom's life, even though she is gone now. I know that her legacy will live on in all of us. She was an incredible teacher and mother who inspired everyone in her life. Mom, your memory will live on in all of our hearts forever. I feel honored and privileged to have been your daughter. You always loved me unconditionally, and you were the best mother anyone could have wished for. I will miss you.